My dear students and parents, today we are going to see the topic lipids in the lesson digestion and absorption in the subject zoology for the NEET students. It is also useful to +1 and +2 CBSE students. By God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 10th CBSE, +1 CBSE, +2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in the subjects maths, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany in English language. NEET, subject zoology, lesson digestion and absorption, topic lipids. Also useful to +1 and +2 CBSE students. Do you know what are lipids? Lipids associated with our body are fats, oils, waxes and sterols. Then we are going to know what are fats and what are oils. Fats are saturated triglycerides of higher fatty acids. Oils are unsaturated triglycerides of higher fatty acids. What are triglycerides? Triglycerides are a type of fat that is lipid found in our body. Suppose if there are excess amount of calories in our body, at that time what will happen? Our body converts this excess amount of calories into triglycerides and store them in fat cells. Later, when the energy is needed, hormones release these triglycerides between the meals. Suppose if the excess amounts of calories are converted into triglycerides and stored in the fat cells, what will happen? We will have to eat every 20 minutes or 30 minutes in order to get the energy to perform the activities of our body. So what is the time left to us to do the other things when we are again and again eating? That is why our God has given an fantastic arrangement to store this excess amount of calories into triglycerides. Just think for a minute. We have already seen in the carbohydrates video, that is, the excess amounts of carbohydrates are converted into fats and glycogen and stored in the liver and muscles. Then we are coming to see what are the types of fatty acids. There are two types of fatty acids. One is essential fatty acids and the other is non-essential fatty acids. You can see this information in the frame at the points 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the point 1, it is given as what are lipids. In the point 2, it is provided as what are fats. In the point 3, it is supplied as what are oils. In the point 4, it is given as what are the types of fatty acids. Do you know what are the essential fatty acids? The essential fatty acids are linoleic fatty acids, linolenic fatty acids, arachidonic fatty acids. The fatty acids are not produced in our body. So how can we get these essential fatty acids? These essential fatty acids can be obtained from the oils like sunflower oil, groundnut oil, etc. If there are deficiency in these oils, it will cause the skin diseases like pheoderma or follicular hyperkeratosis. You can see the point 5 in the frame for the details of what are essential fatty acids. Then we are going to discuss about the non-essential fatty acids. The non-essential fatty acids are palmitic fatty acids and stearic fatty acids. We have stated that the essential fatty acids are not produced in our body. But what about the non-essential fatty acids? The non-essential fatty acids are produced, that is synthesized in our body. So, we may take or we may not take these non-essential fatty acids in the food we eat. You can see this information at the point 6 of the frame 2. Next, we are going to see the functions of the lipids. Fats act mainly as the reserved food. The another function of the lipids is they provide the insulating or protective covering to our body. Where this covering is present? This covering is present over the entire surface of our body below the skin. The third point is these fats not only provide the covering to our body, it also provide the insulation sheath for our nerves. That is, the myelin sheath is mainly made up of phospholipids. These three are the functions of the lipids. You can also see the point 7 in the frame 2.